In this video, we are going to show you how to install these premium car seats covers provided by Covers4Cars for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. They are crafted with premium Nappa leather, which is soft to touch and comfortable for everyday use. These covers are waterproof and scratch resistant, which is designed to be kid and pet friendly. Breathable material with perforated holes to maintain airflow. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. We're going to install this in a Toyota Prius. As you can see, we have normal wear and tear on the driver's seat, minor ones on the passenger seat, and just to match, we're going to install seat covers on the second row. First, I'm going to remove the headrest. Recline the seat just a little bit. Then we get your front back seat cover. If you have a zipper on the side, go ahead and unzip. Then we're just going to slip it on the driver's seat. Then we get two clips. Go ahead and attach it to the elastic. Just like that. Then we push this through till it comes out the other side. Okay, then you lift this up. There's a flap. However, I have a LED light under here, so I'm not gonna lift it up all the way, but you reach for it, for the disc. Let's see if I can show you. You can see the disc, and just lay it this way. Do that for the other side. We get your bottom seat on the back. Go ahead and unclip these two. Then this two top clips, we're gonna push it through the bottom of the seat. You locate the clip, pull it towards you, grab the other clip on front, then just clip them together. Just like that. Repeat that step on the other side. Locate that clip. Grab the front one and just clip them together. Make sure you don't cover the handle and the seat belt. Get two hooks. Look for the elastic band. Make sure the hook is facing this way. Feed the elastic band through the hook. And with the loop that you created, put the hook through and pull. Repeat that step on this side. Then once you get those hooks, you're just gonna hook into anything you can hook on the bottom. Pull it as tight as you can. There's one hook. And there's another. So hook it to something very stable. Then you take your headrest and the headrest cover. We're just gonna go ahead and slip it on. Secure with Velcro. Reinstall the headrest. Go ahead and zip it right back up. Go ahead and repeat that process on the passenger side. onto the second row. We're gonna do the sides first. We'll start off with the passenger rear. Grab the back seat, pull the elastic cord over the headrest. Grab 2 of your round clips, insert it into the elastic band. Then go ahead and tuck this in to the seat. Then to cover up this headrest, grab the elastic band, grab this headrest, and we're just gonna slide the elastic through. Then we work on the rear seat. Make sure you grab the right side, grab the 2 clips, then we're gonna push those clips underneath. Then we're gonna go ahead and lock the sides here. Lift the seat slightly and just tuck this in under, just like so. Then do the same thing with the front one. Repeat on the rear driver's side. Then we get your centerpiece. Same thing, get your clip. Align it nicely. Then tuck this under the seat. Then get your centerpiece. You have elastic on the back. Pull this out. Slide the elastic through. Flip off the sides, just like that. Then on the other side, pull out your seat belt. And go ahead and strap into place. Okay, then we work on your headrest. Pick up the headrest, your elastic loop here, and your elastic loop with the clip. Feed the clip through and just slide it through the clip. Then push it back down. You can pull your other 2 seat belts out. Features lumbar support, full wrap headrest. It's designed with special stitching around the airbag area, ensuring the airbags can deploy properly, maintaining full safety functionality. Integrated back pocket. Easy to clean and maintain. Just wipe with a damp cloth. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.